Bonjour les amis, welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is the place where we live, sleep, and play. La maison. Can you say it with me? La maison. Yeah, it means the house in French. Every maison is special, whether it's big, small, or even on a farm. Fred and Renette are standing outside of their favorite place. Regarde, Renette, Fred says. Our maison looks so beautiful today. Renette walks up to the front and points. Look at la porte. La porte is the door. We go through la porte to come inside where it's warm and cozy. Fred runs to the side of the house and waves through the glass. I can see you through la fenêtre, he giggles. La fenêtre is the window. La fenêtre lets the sunshine in our maison. Renette points way up to the very top. And look at le toit. Le toit is the roof. Le toit keeps us dry when it's raining outside. Fred and Renette go inside la porte, sit by la fenêtre, and feel very safe under their toit. There's no place like la maison. So, let's remember together. La maison, house. La porte, door. La fenêtre, window. Le toit, roof. Bravo les amis! What color is la porte of your maison? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French words every week. À bientôt!